What's up, guys? Captain Hook here, coming to you with a new video, different style video, unboxing type of video. And you got a new package in the mail today. First off, let me say thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys are awesome. You show me tremendous support in the last couple days. I really appreciate it. Anyways, let's get started into this video. We've got this thing here. Can you see it? It is the Boss Audio System Marine Gauge Digital Media. It's got a built-in radio, amplifier, comes with 2 speakers. Let's get into the box though. Let's see what we got here. So we've got an antenna. Got some O-rings for the speakers. Some waterproof speakers here. These look really nice, actually. We can see. Completely sealed, all waterproof. Yeah, these are really nice. We'll see how they sound. And we also have, that's all of the box. It's like Christmas. Oh, it comes with a cover. Didn't know that. Got your instructions. Got a mounting unit. And then we've got the head unit. Let's see. You guys see that okay? Yeah, it's not bad. I like the chrome bezel and all that. It's got a USB hookup. Fuse box. Inputs, outputs. What else we got here? By the way, this is the model MCKGB350B.6. It comes with the receiver, 2 7.5-inch speakers, waterproof speakers rated IP6. It's got a USB port, auxiliary in port, USB charging, and it's compatible with iPod, iPhone, any smartphone, MP3 players. It's got a radio data station in it, which would be really handy on the water. 180 watts of power, max power, MP3 playback, Bluetooth. It's really small, because you could mount this thing on anything. You could mount this receiver on any platform, any boat, truck, ATV. Eventually we are going to install this. Next video we'll install this. I'll show you how I install this, and we'll get it running. But that's the unboxing video. That's everything that comes in the box. Just a quick short video. It's the cover for it. Guys, that concludes today's unboxing video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you so much. As always, hit that computer. Add the button, please.
Sorry, I don't know that, but I do have a skill you might like. It's called pleasing facts.
Computer.
Wanna try it?
Add the button, please.
Aye, Captain.
Thank you. Be sure to hit that. Like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. I really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell there. Stay safe, tight lines, and I'll see you in the next video. Captain Hook out.